afternoon and welcome to Daily News. Angry Zamfara youths have unleashed their anger on the House of Representative member over poor performance. The Senate has confirmed the nomination of Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, a former INEC chairman, as a non-career ambassador. And also the Senate has confirmed the nomination of Reno Omokri, a former presidential aide, as a non-career ambassador. It confirms the nomination of the former Minister of Aviation, Chief Femi Fani Kayode, as a non-career ambassador. The 11 Nigerian Air Force personnel who made an emergency landing in Burkina Faso are now free. Court retains the former Minister of Labour and Employment, Chris Ngige's EFCC bail and demands top civil servants shortage. Federal Capital Territory High Court, Abuja, has dismissed summons for bail filed by the former Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Salami, against the EFCC. And that's today's news. Thank you for watching.